To make short crust pastry in a mixer, put your flour and your cubed cold butter into your mixer and pulse. Make sure you don't do it in long bursts, just pulse. You don't want it to get too hot. Once you think it's ready and it looks like breadcrumbs, just like this does here, make sure you give it a bit of a stir around, then pop in your egg, and we're going to do the same again. Continue to pulse until it again looks like it's all completely incorporated. Once that's happened, remove your blade from your mixer and then pour this out onto some cling film. We don't want to be playing with it too much, so I am just drawing it in together here and making sure that it all completely sticks together without moving it around too much. You just don't want to work the pastry. Then take your cling film, wrap this really tight, and that then will lock it all in. And then using the cling film, you can just push all that together. It's all ready, goes in the fridge.